Dear children, good morning. This is me, Manjunath TM, Assistant Master, Anbarukinchappa High School, Bada. I welcome you all for online class or YouTube class. In my previous class, I have taught you about the 9th standard English lesson called Justice Above Self. It is written by Munshi Premchand. As we know that Munshi Premchand is an Indian writer. He has raised the voice against the social issues or the social evil. As I told in my previous class, social evils like dowry system, sati system, these are all called mainly social evils. But giving a justice, if it is giving injustice, it is also called a social evil. Like that, in a village area, many of the issues will be made plain by taking this case into a panchayat and to be clarified there and giving justice to a person in that area. It is also called a social issue. It can be solved in that panchayat system. Here, as I told, here are two friends. There were name called Juman Sheikh and Algu Chaudhary. Juman Sheikh and Algu Chaudhary. Yes. These are the two friends who are living in a particular village. How their friendship is, if one word is not in the village, another word take care of that family. The same thing having an exchange taken place between their family. They are having the highest respect because of their friendship bond. Look at their name, Juman Sheikh and Algu Chaudhary. They have a different religious people. You understand? But there will be no difference in their friendship. Yeah. In this village, there is a one incident taken place. This Juman Sheikh had an old aunt. Yes. Old auntie. She had some property. She had no further people in her family. So she transferred all her family into the name of Juman Sheikh. Instead of that, Juman Sheikh can take care of that auntie up to her death. There is an understanding taken place between them. Understand? That Juman Sheikh and auntie. This contract or called an understanding taken place happening very clearly, correctly. A couple of the years, it's going on so nicely. So later on, Juman's wife and Juman were not taking care as early years. So that aunt, she had a patience. Next day will my son make this understanding correctly, so he may advise his wife and tell her to take care of my aunt like this. But the patience has its own limit. So once the aunt called the Juman Sheikh and told everything what happened, how his wife caring that old lady. So he supported his wife, not ready to convince his wife and make it correct. But that Juman Sheikh, not to accept the complaint of the aunt, he started scolding the aunt. So that aunt became angry and she decided to send this case to where? Panchayat. Do you understand? So their Panchayat means there is a people of a leader in that village. Panch means 5 members, right? So one of the person will be elected as a judge. He has to decide the case and he gives the judgment like this. So here what happened? Aunt and Juman Sheikh went to Panchayat. There Algu Chaudhary, who was the friend of Juman Sheikh, do you understand? So Algu became a head of the Panch. Algu repeat the word. Sorry, Juman repeat the word. And Algu is my friend. When you select me, select Algu, There is no objection at all. No, no, no. But this ant told, what's the word? The voice of the punch is the voice of God. It means that God lives in the heart of the punch. Punch itself is the judge. Judge is in the form of God. God will not give injustice to any person. He always gives the judge. He is a judge. He gives judgment. He gives equal importance to every accused or the any who apply the case. You understand? So, voice of the punch is voice of the God, because God lives in the heart of the punch. So, there is a case went to punch. The case is going on. So, dear children, I have completed up to this level in my previous class. Let me start next paragraph. That the thing, para number 6. That's the thing. God lives in the heart of the punch, and his voice is the voice of God. That old lady, this old lady explained whole the case clearly in the presence of punch. You understand? Yeah. What have you to say your defense? Asked the Alagu to Juman. As we understood that Alagu, as selected as head of the punch, he had a power to asking a question about the case. You understand? Here there will be no difference of friendship, no relationship, nothing else. Here Alagu is the head of the punch, and Juman is the accused, and the ant is the party. So there is a legal words have been used in the present court. Okay, accused and party, right? Like this. So Alagu asked the question, that is, what have you to say your defense? Alagu asked. Juman narrated how his aunt transferred all her property and how he promised her to look after her as long as she lived. Yes, as according to their understanding, or we can call it bond, or we can call it agreement, that Juman has now been explained clearly. That is what happened. Why she transferred the property on the name of Juman Sheikh. Instead of Juman Sheikh having her property, his duty is to taking care of and up to as long as she lived. There is a word. As long as she lived. It means that up to her death. Yes. Up to her death, as long as lived. Yes. Up to her death, he has to take care of that old lady, because she had transferred her all property into the name of Juman Sheikh. What are the profits which are growing in that property? All the properties are going towards the Juman Sheikh. So his duty is to taking care. Yes. This way, that Juman Sheikh have explained every story what happened in the early in the presence of punch. But of late, there have been some quarrels between my wife and aunt. He explained that thing. Juman has explained here. After that, there is a quarrel taken place between my wife and aunt. Now, my aunt is claiming a monthly allowance from me, which now I can't pay. That's all I have to say, my dear punch. This way, that Juman have explained the detailed story what happened. Now, the aunt is claiming a monthly allowance. In this way, in this present day, I can't able to pay that every month allowance. This intention is that aunt has to adjust with his wife only. He is not ready to pay monthly allowance. So this way he explained his intention and his demand also. Then what happened? Can you guess what happened? No? Okay. Wait, I will only tell you. That's all. He concluded his submission after consulting others who are sitting left and right of yes, other four members like this. After consulting others, Alagu has decided and he started announcing that we are of one opinion that Juman must pay and a monthly allowance, or else instead he has to return his property to aunt. He must pay monthly allowance, or he has to return the aunt's property to aunt. This is the announcement or the judgment given by the Alagu Chaudhary. Okay, dear students, now I am going to put a small question. Here, just you come to the title. Here, justice is about self. When we have a selfness called selfish, when that Alagu Chaudhary became a selfish, he will not give the correct judgment. If he become a selfish, he will not to give an accurate judgment, because there is a case is taken place against his friend. How their friendship bond is? If he is not in this village, Alagu will take care of Juman's family. If Juman is not in the village, Alagu will take Juman's family caringness. Such a good friends they were. Here, the case is, what happened case? The case was decided against Juman. There will be no friendship. Because when the word justice comes, there will be nothing else more than the justice. So the title is given. Justice is about self. Okay. So this way, this case has been declared. Then the days have been passed. As a Hitler would have it to Alagu Chaudhary. Then another incident. So this decision have been passed. There will be, he decided maybe he accept to pay some monthly allowance or to transfer the property. But here the thing is, the judgment have been declared. So the days have been passed. After some days, that Hilak would have taken place hard towards the Alagus. Do you understand? Yeah. It was a tight spot. He is told, there is a separate story. This is the story which are related to Juman and Aunt. So another story, there is a just, yeah. Yes. Here, another story is arranged here. Which story is related to Alagu Chaudhary? Yeah. Yes, Alagu Chaudhary sold his bullock, one of the bullock. Bullock, you know, it is used to cart. There is a bullock cart. Have you seen? Bullock can be used to draw the cart. And it is used in the agricultural purpose to dig the land like this, using flow like this. In Kannada, Besaya, like this. Right. This Alagu had one of the bullocks means one bullock like this. Yeah. He sold one bullock to the Sanju Sahu. Yes. He is a cart driver. Cart driver. Yeah. There is an understanding was taken place between the Sanju Sahu and Alagu Chaudhary. He has to pay some price of amount and he takes 1 month of time. Sanju Sahu have not enough money to pay cash to the Alagu Chaudhary by buying or purchasing bullock. He takes 1 month time to repay the money instead of purchasing bullock. It is clear? Yes. What happened? It so happened that Alagu, who sold his bullock to the Sahu, he didn't ask money, but Alagu requested that Sanju Sahu requested, I will pay this amount after 1 month. Yes. That after 1 month, there is a hillocks taken place in the life of Alagu and Sahu, that bullock have been died within a month. This bullock have been died. What is that spelling? D-I-E-D. Yes. Died within a month. What are the time he has taken before that time that bullock have been passed away? So now tell me whether this Sahu has to pay the amount for the bullock or not?
Not, sir.
Not?
Because bullock is dead.
Of course. Let me see what happened in the further days. Yes. Several months after the death of bullock, Alagu reminded Sahu of the money he had not yet paid. I can't pay you a penny. Penny means it is a type of value of the money which can be used during those days. Right. Penny means in Kannada 1 paisa like this, a paise. So during those days they are using that type of the coins. I will not able to pay a single penny for wretched beast you sold me. He bought us nothing but ruin, Sahu said angrily. Whenever the Alagu demand Sanju Sahu has to repay the money regarding that bullock, the Sanju becoming angry. You have sold me such a wretched, diseased bullock. How can I repay your money? It have been already passed away, death. So how can I pay? It have been died. So yes, I haven't used the bullock. I haven't get any property or the income from that. How can I pay? It have been already passed away. Yes. So Alagu decided to take this case into the same panchayat. Now here the case will not be settled between them, Sahu and Alagu. So Alagu decided to send this case to the panchayat. You know the panchayat? Panchayat is a panchayat. The voice of the panch is the voice of the God. Always God lives in the heart of the panch, because he had such a belief on those panch heads. Yes, he decided to send this case to panchayat. That panchayat was held under the old banyan tree, the same place where the case taken place between the and then Juman Sheikh. Alagu stood up and said, that voice of the panch is the voice of the God. Let Sahu nominate head of the panch. So, on that case, Juman Sheikh given a chance to select the head of the panch to auntie. That aunt select the Alagu as head of the panch. In this case, Alagu have given a chance to select the head of the panch to Sanju Sahu. Let know Sanju whom will he select the head of the panch. Okay, here let Sahu nominate head of the panch, and I will be abide. Abide means there is a word accept. Okay, abide means accept. So he will accept any decision. The Sahu saw his chance to propose the name of the Juman as head of the panch. Here Sahu select in this case that Juman Sheikh is head of the punch in the case versus Alagu versus Sanju Sahu. In these versus case, he will become a head of the punch. Okay? During the 10th, Alagu's heart sunk and he turned in pale. Why this Alagu became turned his face and turned in a dull? Because during his previous case, after judgment given of auntie's case, there will be a friendship broken down between Alagu and Juman Sheikh. Juman is waiting for to take a revenge on Alagu. Do you understand? Now the time has been come. Here that Sanju Sahu has used this chance. Sanju Sahu known that there will be no friendship between Alagu and Juman. If the Juman became a head of the punch, Sanju Sahu will easily get the justice. This way that Sanju Sahu thought his mind. So he select in this intention Sanju that Juman Sheikh become head of the punch. Let Sahu saw his chance that proposed the name of Juman and Alagu's heart sunk and he turned in pale. That moment, Juman became a head of the punch. Once upon a time, Alagu is head of the punch. Now they know that Juman is head of the punch. He realized his responsibilities and they repeat that word. What is that word? Voice of the punch is voice of the God. The God always lives in the heart of punch. And as a judge, and he think about his dignity, he think about his responsibilities, he is thinking about, he is sitting in the place of judgment. He is seated in a high place. Have his revenge now? He decided not to allow his personal feeling to become the way of speaking the truth and doing justice. During giving justice, we should not enter our personal affair into this judgment. And both Alagu and Sahu presented their case. Then Juman stood up and announced his judgment. That is,